Hi everyone, this tutorial will help you get acquainted with the GeoGebra app, which we will be using throughout this class. First, you will need to download the free GeoGebra app to either your computer or your smartphone in order to follow along with this video. Once you have the GeoGebra app, you're going to go to the desktop icon and open it up. And we won't be using these grids, so what you're going to do is right-click and unselect axes and grid. And now we're good to go. We have a blank canvas. In our first exploration, we will need to create a triangle and measure its angles. So that's what I'm going to briefly show you how to do here. So first, to make a triangle, well, first you can see all of the different tabs available in GeoGebra. To make a triangle, we're going to go to the Polygon tab and click Polygon and make a polygon with 3 sides. It's important that you finish wherever you started. So I started with A and I clicked A second time. And now you've created your triangle. The next thing that you want to do is learn how to measure an angle. So you're going to go to the Angle tab and click Angle. When measuring angles in GeoGebra, it's important that you go clockwise, and you're going to go just like how you would name an angle. So if I'm going to measure angle B, just like I would name it, I would go C to B to A. And now I can see what my angle measure is right here. Also, it shows up on the side tab over here. And it is important to note that you can take these vertices and move them all around, and you can see that the angle measurement will change as you do that. So now at this point you know how to make a triangle and measure its angles, which you will be using a lot throughout this course.